Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ever have somebody in your church we do something really bad and everybody come down upon that somebody there so hard that them go away and never come back? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, do it now, no? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's second letter to the Corinthians, them, chapter 2, from verse 5 to verse 13. Now, somebody amongst you did do sitting where cause you to feel pain in our heart. Me know say it hurt you more than it hurt me, cause what them did hurt all of you one way or another. Me no want to make things sound worse than them be. Most of you they punish that somebody there, and they punish when you no punish him. It enough. Ease him up now. No punish him no longer. Instead of that, you fi pardon him and kind to him. You fi do that so that him no get so sad that he give up. And cause me no want him fi give up, me a beg you no fi show him say you no still love him. Me did send you one letter we say you fi send him from amongst you. A test me did a test you make me write that. Me did want fi see if you would do all we me say you fi do. Everybody when you pardon, me pardon them too. That if me have nothing fi pardon. Jesus Christ see and know say me really pardon them and me do it for help you. We fi pardon him so that Satan no win. Cause we know say him ever a look for one way fi cause trouble and make people turn away from God. Now, when me go to us fi preach the good news about Jesus, me find say the Lord did don't make one way for me talk to the people them. But even though the people them did happy for hear what me have to say, my mind couldn't rest cause me never see my brother Titus. But since me never find him, me tell the people them in a choice bye-bye and left go to Macedonia. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.